Morning, Hemant. Hemant, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll wait for 2 more minutes. No one is joining, we'll get
Okay.
started.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Hemant, we'll get started.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So what I'll do is I'll keep discussing a little faster. Whichever
Okay.
problem you have doubt in, you can stop me there. Okay.
Okay.
First question. Evaluate 1 divided by 9x square plus 6x plus 10. How to do this? So this is of the form 1x square plus bx plus c dx integral. So these kind of problems are supposed to be done using completing the square method, right? So when you need to do the completing the square method, what we will do is, see, always when doing coefficient of x square into x square plus by 9x 9 is going to be the value. So there is the thing. You will write this as 2, this is 3. So 9 into x plus 2 by 6, sorry, 2 by 6 or 1 by 3. X plus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 10 by 9 minus 1 by 9. Okay. So 9 into, how can I write this? It is x plus 1 by 3 the whole square. There is a mistake in solution. Plus 10 by 9 minus 1 by 9 is 1 by 9, no?
Yes.
Yes, to be 1 by 9. Right, let me check. 9 into x square plus 2 by 3x. So x plus, oh, I made a mistake, sorry. No, correct one. X plus 1 by the whole square plus 10 by 9. 10 by 9 minus the square of this. This is 1. So it is going to be 10 minus 1 is 9. So 9 divided by 9 should be 1. This should have actually been 1 square. But why did they give 2 by 3 square? Let me solve this and see. X square plus 1 by 9 plus 2 by 3x 4 by 9. There is a mistake. This is not the right one. Okay, it is 1 square actually.
Okay.
9 into x plus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 1 square. So 1 divided by this thing. So what is going to be the integral of this guy? So 1 divided by 9 into tan inverse of x by a, that is x plus 1 by 3 divided by 1. So answer would be 1 by 9 into tan inverse of dx plus 1 divided by 3 plus. That is the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I hope you understood, right? Second.
Yes, sir.
So integral of sine 3x into cos 4x dx. What is this? This is of the form sine A cos B integral, right? So whenever you have this kind of a scenario, you need to multiply with 2 and divide it with 2. When you do this, you get 2 sine A cos B. So 2 sine A cos B is actually nothing but sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. Okay. So sine of A plus B is 3x plus 4x minus sine of A minus B. That is 4x minus 3x. See, actually, this is A. Always remember, you need to take the bigger value of the angle to be the highest value. Sorry, A. Okay, sine 4x plus 3x minus sine 4x plus 3x. So using this formula, then what will happen? It will become sine 7x minus sine x. Remember, right? So what is integral of sine 7x? Minus cos 7x by 7. What is integral of sin x? It is minus cos x. So adding both, you get 1 by 14 into cos 7x plus half of cos x plus. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third one. Find the area of the region bounded by xy such that it is x square, where x square is less than or equal to y and less than or equal to x. So if you see this problem, y is equal to x square is what actually? So y is equal to x square is an upward parabola. Okay. So it is less than y and less than x. So y is equal to x is a line like this. So less than y and less than x means this is going to be the value. And yeah. So how to find this? So this coordinate is 1, 1. How do you get it? X square is equal to y. Right? And this line is y is equal to x. So if I write x square is equal to x, x into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. These are the 2 points of intersection. One is x is equal to 0 and the other one is x is equal to 1. So these things are simple. It is integral of 0 to 1 upper curve minus lower curve times dx. So when you solve this, you will get 1 by 6 units. Let's try to solve this and see x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 between 0 to 1. Okay, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, 3 minus 1, so it is 1 by 6, correct. So 1 by 6 square unit is the answer. Okay, I think you have submitted your paper in the academy, right? So if not, you guys can have a look at it. So it is 1 by 6 square units. Right. Fourth one. Verify the accompanying function is a solution of this equation. So how to solve this? So you need to differentiate it twice. So y is equal to e power x plus 1. So always take the question as first equation. Then dy by dx is equal to e power x. Then what about differentiating it again? You get d square y by dx square is equal to e power x. So can I say dy by dx is equal to d square y by dx square? So you bring one of the values to the other side. So dy by dx minus dy by dx is going to be equal to 0. So that is the required solution. Okay, that's it. Similarly, can you check y of 0? Y of 0 is equal to e power 0 plus 1. So e power 0 is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Similarly, what is y dash of 0? Y dash of 0 is going to be e power 0, which is 1. So that also they asked us to check. And that is also getting satisfied. Right? Next. Find the distance of the point from the plane. Divyesh, you're there?
Yes, sir.
How to do this problem?
Sir, there's a formula, sir. D is equal to B into A2 minus A1.
Okay. See, always I would suggest you one thing. Remember, whenever they have given you the vector form, no, convert it to Cartesian form. That the question will become, so this is the equation, right? It becomes 5x plus 2y minus 7z plus 9 is equal to 0. Accepted? Minus 7z plus 9 is equal to 0. So whenever you have this kind of an equation and you know the point 3 comma 3 comma 3, so what you can do is from the point 3 comma 3 comma 3, if you drop a perpendicular, then this distance is given like this. D is equal to modulus of ax1, that is 5 into 3, plus by1, 2 into 3, plus minus 7z1, that is 3, plus the constant divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square, and close the modulus. So when you solve this, you will get the answer as 9 divided by root 78. I hope everybody knows this equation. Okay. Next. There is an unbiased die which is thrown twice. Let the event A be odd number on the first row and event B be odd number on the second row. Check the independence of the events A and B. So how to solve this? So an unbiased die thrown twice is the same as throwing two dice at the same time. So when you do that, in the first row they're expecting odd number, and in the second row they're expecting an odd number only. Check the independence of the events. So totally, when you throw the dice, how many set of ordered pairs will you get? Get 36. What are the ordered pairs? 1, 1, 1, 2, so on till 1, 6. It keeps on going till 6, 6. It keeps on going till 6, 6, right? So there are 36 elements or events that are going to occur. Probability of A, guys. What is the probability of you getting an odd number in the first row? So what is the probability of getting odd number in the first row? 1, 2. So it is exactly half. 18 out of 36 accepted. What is the probability of you getting an odd number on the second row? 2, it is vertically going to solve 2, 1 till 6, 1. So 1, 2, you will have 6 here. You will have 6 here. Sorry, you will have 3 here. So 6 into 3 again is going to be 18. So probability of getting an odd number in the second row is also 18 out of 36. So if you solve this, you will get 1 by 2, 50% chance and 50% chance. Right. So keeping this as 1. What is the probability of getting A and B at the same time? So what is the probability of even intersection? Probability of intersection of both. That is, first row should also give you 1. Second row should also give you 1. Like that, how many such odd pairs can you find? You can find 1, 1, 1, like this. You how many more? 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, 5. What can you say about all this? Put together is 9 elements. So 9 out of 36, which is 1 by 4. So if you see probability of A intersection B is 1 by 4. Probability of A into probability of B is also 1 by 4. Since probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B, these events are said to be independent events. That's what they asked us to check. Is that clear? So I'm erasing this. Next, find the divided by 1 plus sin x into 2 plus sin x. So for this, you can use the partial fractions. So a divided by 1 plus sin x plus b divided by sin x. Now what you do is you will take LCM and try to solve. So a into 2 plus sin x plus b into 1 plus sin x is equal to the numerator, that is sin 2x. So 2a plus b plus a plus b sin x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. So what I can do is 2a plus b, I can say it is 0 because there is no constant on the other side. Similarly, a plus b will be equal to how much? 2 cos x, right? When a plus b is 2 cos x, then you can solve for it. This implies b is equal to minus 2a. Take this and substitute it here. Minus a will be equal to 2 cos x, or a is equal to minus 2 cos x. Okay. Then what will happen to b? B will be 4 times cos x. So take this and substitute it in this place. Then you will get minus 2 cos x divided by 1 plus sin x plus 4 cos x divided by 2 plus sin x. Now the problem is simple. Take 1 plus sin x as t, then cos x dx will become dt. Similarly, take 2 plus sin x as t, then cos x dx will be equal to dt. So minus 2 log of 1 plus sin x plus 4 log of 2 plus sin x plus c is the answer. When you try to write it using the formula log a plus log b is, log a minus log b is log of a by b, you will get this expression. Okay. So I'm assuming that you'll ask the question only when there is a doubt. 8.1. Find the area of the region in the first point by the x-axis between the lines y is equal to 3, x square is equal to 16. So x square plus y square is equal to 16 and y is equal to root 3x. Right. So when you solve it, x square plus y square is equal to 16 and y is equal to root 3x. So x square plus 3x square is equal to 16. 4x square is 16. X will be equal to plus or minus 4. Sorry, 2. But you will take only 2 into consideration because they asked with respect to first quadrant. So this point will be 2, 0. Then what about this point? This point is root of 16. Okay. So root of 16 is going to be 4. So this point is 4, 0. And y is equal to root 3x obviously is a line which is past origin. So having said all these things, what we are going to do is, listen. Integral of starting with 0. From 0 to 2, you will use curve, that is root 3x dx plus integral of 2 to 4. What you will do is root of 16 minus x square dx. Okay. So for root of a square minus x square, you already have a formula, x root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. Okay. Using that formula, what you're going to get is, so using that formula, you get root this one x square by 2 plus the bigger formula between 2 to 4, right? So when you do all these things, you will get the final answer as 8 pi by 3 square inch. Okay. Next. See, generally in exam, they'll not give you this hint and all, you should know. But there's a mistake from my side that the hint has been given. Anyways, for particular solution, particular means they should give you a value. They have given you value. Find a particular solution of this differential equation given y is equal to minus 1 when you substitute the value of x is equal to 0. Okay. How all this? So if you look at minus y is equal to t. So what is the question? X minus y into dx plus dy is equal to dx minus dy. So collect all the dx terms on one side. It will be x minus y minus 1 equal to You take dy terms on the other side. So minus dy into 1 minus x plus 1. Okay. So if I bring the minus sign to the left hand side, into 1 minus x minus x plus 1. Wait, there is a mistake. I'll rearrange it again. X dx plus x dy minus y dx minus y dy is equal to dx minus dy. So collecting all the dx terms, get 1 minus x plus y is equal to collecting all the dy terms, I get x plus y plus 1. Sorry, x minus y plus 1. So dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x plus y by x minus y plus 1. Okay. Now what we can do is, I can do 1 minus of x minus y divided by x minus y plus 1. So you take this x minus y and put it as t. Then you will get dx by dy minus 1. 1 minus by dx is equal to dt by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, sorry, where is it? So dy by dx is equal to 1 minus dt by dx. 1 minus dt by dx in the sense you take this and substitute it here. So 1 minus dt by dx is equal to 1 minus t divided by t plus 1 or 1 plus t. 1 minus t divided by 1 plus t. Now dt by dx will be equal to 1 minus t divided by 1 plus t. That will be 1 plus t minus 1 plus t divided by 1 plus t. So this and this will get divided by 1 plus t. Right, dt by dx is equal to t divided by 1 plus t. So 1 plus t by t into dt is equal to dx. So dt into 1 plus 1 by t is equal to dx. Now apply variables, separables, and then solve it. You'll get the answer. The answer comes out to be log of x minus mod of x minus y is equal to x plus y plus c. Now they have given you the values. X is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. Take this and substitute here. Then you will get this as the final expression. Okay. I think somebody asked me this question after the exam. I think Divyesh, it was you, right? On the other day you asked me. You clear?
Yes, sir.
You're clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Tenth one. Find the image of the 160 line this thing. Also write the equation of the line joining the point and its image, and find the length of the line segment joining the given point and its image. So you have a plane, and the equation of you have a line, and the equation of the line is given as x by 1, y minus 1 by 2, and z minus 2 by 3. Okay. So what does this 1, 2, 3 represent as? What does this one? They represent the d's of line. So d's of the line are 1, 2, 3. Accepted? Now, if I take this point and try to find it in terms of a parameter, then I can say x by 1, y minus 1 by 2 is equal to z minus 3, 2 by 3 is equal to r. Z minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to r. Is that right? So X will be equal to R, Y is equal to 2R plus 1, and Z is equal to 3R plus 2. So that is going to be a point here. R, 2R plus 1, 3R plus 2. Right? What I can say is, this PM is given line. Lines are perpendicular. Then what is the relation between the direction ratios? I can write A1, A2, C1, C2 is equal to 0. When I take all these things into consideration, I can say R minus 1 is the direction ratio, dot in the sense product of 1 plus 2R minus 5 into 2 plus 3R minus 3 into 3 is equal to 0. So the advantage here is I'll be able to find the value of R. So when I solve this, I'll get the value of R as 1. So when I get R is equal to 1, you take this and substitute in this point. Then you will get the points as 1, 3, and 5. Right? That is a coordinate of the foot of the perpendicular. Please understand, you got only the foot of the perpendicular, but the question is about image. That is x1, y1, z1. So what I can do is x1 plus this 1 divided by 2 is equal to this 1, which implies x1 is equal to 1. Similarly, y1 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3, which implies y1 is equal to 0. z1 plus 5 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 5. So what are the coordinates of the image? 1, 0, and there is a mistake here. There is a mistake here. It is z1 plus 5 divided by 2 is 5. So it is not 7, guys. It is 10. Not 10, 5. Okay. It's 5. So there is a mistake in this problem. I'm not the problem. Mistake in the solution that is given here. But I hope you guys did it. So 105 will be the coordinates of that point. Any doubt till here? This is the given point with respect to the line. Is there any doubt, guys? I'm assuming no. Okay. The equation of the line joining the given point and its image. So you can write joining the. So the point 165, x minus 1 divided by the direction ratio, that is 0, is equal to y minus 6 divided by 0 minus 6 minus 6 is equal to z minus 5 divided by 0. 0, how much? Yeah, the equation. Oh, sorry. It's a printing mistake. Here they have given it as 3, but the solution they gave it as 5. So it's right only. No mistake. The only mistake that needs to be corrected is here it is 3. When this is going to be, then what am I going to get? Z is 3 divided by 2 is equal to the thing. So Z1 is equal to 5. 7. So the image is 0 and 7. So 7 minus 5 is going to give us a 2. So Z minus 5 divided by 2 is going to be the answer. Sorry. Minus 3 the point is 3. No, z minus 3 divided by 7 minus 3 is 4. This is the equation. So x minus 1 by 0 is equal to y minus 6 divided by minus 6 is equal to z minus 3 divided by 4. Then what about PQ, guys? You can find the distance using the formula root of x2 minus 1 the whole square, y2 minus y1 the whole square, and z2 minus z1 the whole square. When you do that, the answer comes out to be 2 root 13. So this is an important problem. If at all the question is instead of image, they ask you the foot of the perpendicular, you can stop. 135 you can. Okay. Eleventh one. You see the 11th one. I is equal to integral of 1 divided by cos power 4x plus sin power 4x. So what is it? 1 divided by cos power 4x plus sin power dx. So integral of. So whenever you have kind of a combination of cos and sin with the same power added, right? Then what you do is divide the denominator with cos of whatever power is there. So when you do that, by cos power 4x divided by 4x. Okay. And I'll tell you the reason is very simple, because whenever you divide a constant with cos x, you will get secant x. And whenever you divide sin x with cos x, tan x. So if you have tan x in the denominator, the numerator can be written in terms of secant square x by substituting tan x as t. That is a hint. Okay. So if that is the case, observe this problem. This will be secant power 4x divided by 1 plus tan power 4x dx. So this I can write it as, so I have tan x. No, I can think of substituting tan x as t. But unfortunately, what happens is secant square x dx is dt. But you have secant power 4x. So what we will do is we'll split it as secant square x into secant square x dx divided by 1 plus tan power 4x. Now what I will do, I'll leave this secant square dx as it is, and this secant square x I'll write it as 1 plus tan square x. So 1 plus tan square x into secant square x dx into secant square x dx divided by 1 plus tan power 4x. Is it clear? So what will happen in this scenario is, it will be something like this. 1 plus, listen. So it becomes 1 plus t square into dt divided by 1 plus t power 4. Is there any doubt in this? I took tan x as t. So tan x is t means secant square x dx is dt, and 1 plus t square. Right, 1 plus t square dt divided by this thing. Then what you can do again is divide the numerator and denominator with t square. If you do that, you will get 1 plus 1 by t square divided by 1 by t square plus t square. So 1 by t square plus t square dt. Now observe, is there any relation? I need 1 plus 1 by t square in the numerator. For 1, I need to have t in the denominator. Similarly, for 1 by t square, I need to have minus 1 by t in the denominator. I have none of them. So what I will do is, I will try to write this in terms of t minus 1 by t the whole square minus, okay, so t minus 1 by t the whole square minus, what are you going to get, t square? So you will get plus 2 by completing the square method. Now it is simple, guys. I take t minus 1 by t as some y, okay, or I'll say some z for that matter. So 1 minus or 1 plus 1 by t square dt will be equal to dz. So numerator is sorted. So the whole question changes to dz divided by z square plus 2. Now it is easy. 1 by a square plus a square. So 1 by a, 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of z by root 2. Right. So z by root 2 means, but what is z again? Z is t minus 1 by t, but t is tan x. So 1 by root of tan inverse of tan x minus cot x, or I can write it as tan x minus 1 by tan x, the whole divided by root. Okay. So they wrote it as, they took LCM, tan square x minus 1 divided by root 2 tan x. This set value. This is the answer. Okay. This is a good problem. Try this early. Not solved it in the exam, learn it now. Similarly, find the particular solution of the differential equation dy dx minus 3y cot x is equal to sine 2x, where y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 5 by 2. Y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 5 by 2. This is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are the functions of x. So p is 3 cot x and q is sine 2x. Sorry, p is minus 3 cot x and q is sine 2x. So what is the integrating factor? So integrating factor is e power of dx. So e power minus 3 integral of cot x dx. So when you try solving it, you will get the integrating factor as sine x the whole power minus 3. Y into integral of integrating factor into q dx plus you add a constant, right? So y into, what is the integrating factor? It is sine x to the whole power minus 3 is equal to integral of sine x to the whole power minus 3 into sine 2x dx. Okay. So after that, when you integrate it, right, you will get the final expression as y is equal to minus 2 sine square x plus c cube x. Didn't ask us the general solution, they asked the solution. So y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 5 by 2. So the coordinates are 5 by 2, 2. So in the place of x by 2, in place of y, what should you substitute? You do this, you will get the value as value of obtained tables and substitute equal to minus 2 sine square x plus 4 sine cube x. Okay. Any doubt? Thirteenth. Find the equation this and this. Okay. So what they're asking is we need to visualize. Point given is 1, 2, 3, and this is r vector dot b1 vector if I take it as n vector or d, for example. And second one is r vector dot b2 vector is equal to capital D. If I say something like this, general equation of the plane is what? R vector dot n cap is equal to small d. But here it is not n cap because it is not a unit vector that I'm able to understand by looking at it. Magnitude is not equal to 1. Here also magnitude. This. Then what we do is we need to find the equation of the line passing through these 2 points. So what can we do? Passing through the point and perpendicular to these planes. Tell me, what does b1 vector and b2 vector with respect to these planes represent? Can someone tell me what does b1 vector and b2 vector with respect to this plane, to these planes represent? So they represent the normal vectors of the plane. right? So when they have told clearly that there are two planes, right? There are two planes, and there is a line which is parallel to both the planes, and it is passing through 1, 2, 3. That is the question. So this is B1 vector, this is B2 vector. So I'm able to understand that these two are B1 vector and B2 vector, no doubt in that. Okay, having said this, if a line is parallel to a plane, listen to this carefully. If a line is parallel to the plane, then it is perpendicular to the normal of the plane. So when that is going to be the scenario, what I need to do is I need to find the normals of, I need to find the vector to which this line is parallel to, because what is the equation of line? R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda times B vector. A vector is already given 1, 2, 3. We know the position vector of it, but we need to find B vector. So when the vector is, when two planes are given, indirectly the normals of the plane is already given here, right? First from two normals, I will get a vector which is for both the planes, and that will be perpendicular to the required line. So the first step you need to do, which is for the cross product of B1 vector and B2 vector, because the cross product of two vectors is always a resultant which is perpendicular to both the vectors for which you're doing the cross product. So when you try to calculate it, you will get the answer as minus 3i cap plus 5j cap plus 4k cap. Then the required equation of the line will be r vector is equal to, that is a vector I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus lambda times b vector, that is minus 3i cap plus 5j cap plus 4k. Okay, this is going to be the required. Next, 14. The Indian saw a suspicious boat foreman. They were nowhere looking like fishermen. The soldiers were closely observing the movement of the boat for an opportunity to seize the boat. They observed that the boat was moving along a planar surface. So it is moving along a plane. At an instant of time, the coordinates of the position of the Coast Guard helicopter and the boat. So Coast Guard helicopter is at a height of 235, is at a coordinate of 235, and the boat is at a coordinate of 124. Both are in the first quadrant. Okay. So based on the above information, answer the following question. If the line joining the positions of helicopter and boat is perpendicular to the plane in which the boat moves, then the equation of the plane is what? If the line joining the positions of the boat is perpendicular to the plane, perpendicular to the plane, that is the ocean. So it is perpendicular to the plane along which the boat is moving, then what is going to be the equation of the plane is what the question is. What we can do is the given points are 2, 3, 5 and this thing. Now, what are the direction ratios of this line? It is minus 1, 1, 3. So you can 1, z2 minus z1. So what is going to be the equation of the plane passing through? Wait. Now, so 1 to 4 is a point on the plane. So there is a plane which is passing through the point 4, 2, and as that goes minus 1, 1 and 3. So dr of this line, dr of the normal are perpendicular to each other. So apply a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 as 0. So x minus 1 into minus 1 plus y minus 4 into 1 plus z minus 2 into minus 3 is going to be equal to 0. So when you solve this, you will get the equation of the plane as x minus y plus 3z is equal to 3. Okay, next. If the soldier decides to shoot the boat at a given instant of time, where is the where the distance is measured in meter, then what is the distance between the distance the bullet has to travel? So obviously, if you ignore the wind that is going to act, then the distance the bullet is supposed to travel is exactly the distance between points. So you take those 2 points, apply the formula root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square plus z2 minus z1 the whole square. You will get the answer as 11 meters. Similarly, if the speed of the bullet is 30 meters per second, then how much time will it take to hit the boat? So root 11 by 30 seconds is the answer. Next, at the given instant of time, the equation of the line passing through the portion of the helicopter, that is 2, 3, 5. One, 2, 4, and 2, 3, 5. So this is going to be the scenario AB. Then x minus 1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to y minus 2 divided by z minus 4 divided by 1. The equation of line passing through the position of the helicopter and the 1 to 4. Correct only, no? Oh, 1, 4, 2. 1, 4, 2 and 2, 4, 2 and 2, 3. So y minus y minus is there an option? X minus 1 by 1 is equal to y minus 4 by minus 1 is equal to z minus 2 divided by. Okay. So that's it, guys. And Neha, I hope you understood.